daripada Tuan Joel. Tapering ni ada tak side effect pada cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency movement berdasarkan supply demand atau sentiment kah, cikgu?
Okay, so
Wow,
very
Tuan
interesting.
Joel pun dah join crypto.
Okay, sebenarnya short answer, kalau tapering ada effect, okay, sebab right now we just think logically lah, okay, why I'm saying that, sebab terlalu banyak duit ada dekat US ataupun dekat pasaran sekarang. You can't put the stock market is already on the high side. Okay, there will be some people they don't want to go into the stock market because it's already on the high side, overbought punya zone. Okay, you want to invest in other money market ataupun other assets, fixed deposit, etc. is almost giving a zero return or very minimal return. Sama macam kita, kalau bank bagi 0% ataupun 0.5%, you don't want to save that. So that's why most of our retail trader right now, we are all going into online trading. Sebab kita nampak tabung haji, ASB ataupun any other instrument is giving a minimal return. So what we do, we take our money and then park into all the brokers. Sometimes kita sedekah dekat brokers sebab kita selalu MC ataupun kita selalu stop out. Okay, so this is what happens outside as well. Okay, bila duit banyak, you cannot park into the stock market, you cannot park into the saving, you cannot park into the freezer, etc. So people move into the alternative lain, which is at this point booming up is crypto. So at one point, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, all those become big. Still, they are big, okay, to move in it, but then it becomes too expensive for them to go in. Then they move into all these Doge ataupun meme coin like a Doji coin, Shiba Inu, and then because Shiba Inu kita ada siapa Imran tanya pasal Shiba Inu. So suddenly it made, I think somebody become a billionaire with only about $10,000, $13,000 investment. So cryptocurrencies, again, there is an effect right now, but it won't be that much compared to those days ataupun those time. Okay, there might be a pullback, macam Bitcoin maybe drop 10,000 ataupun 15,000, that kind of a range, ataupun other crypto might drop 5,000 ataupun few hundred, depending on the relative value. But we don't see a big moment because they already made orang kata dia punya base quite strong. Macam katakan Bitcoin, the 20,000 or 25,000 ataupun even 15,000 might become dia punya already become dia punya support lah ataupun dia punya base. So you're not going to drop anything below than that. Okay, kalau drop pun maybe put 30,000 ataupun 35,000 ataupun at most maybe 25,000. But then after that it will be always up. Sama macam stock market. Stock market dia akan drop, but maybe let's say if you take S&P, maybe from 4,500 it might drop to about let's say 3,500 at worst. Okay, ataupun 3,000. So 3,000 might be a base untuk S&P 500 for example. Okay, so those kind of investment, they already making a strong base ataupun ni. There will be a big pullback ataupun drop, but it won't be that big. Okay, in a shorter period, might be over a period, down, up, down, that kind of move. Okay, crypto follow what? I think bila Imran tanya this question, some crypto they follow on the demand and supply. For example, Bitcoin they only have about 21 million supply versus the demand right now. That's why Bitcoin is going up. But other currencies, especially meme coins, or we call it alternate coins, or some people call it even shit coins. Okay, those don't have any. It's all pure speculative, like Shiba Inu. So now authorities are trying to find out who actually made purchase or those kind of coins. So what's happening? Is it something somebody is manipulating the market or somebody doing? So authorities are investigating all those things. So because they ada macam at least Euro USD ataupun gold ataupun commodities, people know it's all demand supply or sentiment ataupun some kind of a geopolitical issue, etc. But crypto coins at this point really don't have any theory behind it at this point.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So satu penerangan